Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix voice chat and mic not working in Warzone 2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, you need to go to your party and look if you are connected properly. So I'm using PS5 controller, so I just need to press options button, but if you're on PC or Xbox, you just need to press little menu that is on the top right. And once you're here, then you need to go to a headphones icon and make sure that you connected to a party. As you can see here, I need to press square to start voice chat, and make sure that you connected to the right party where your friends are, right? And once you do that, then I will press X here, and here on the gear icon, make sure that is in all lobbies, so you can hear all other people via proximity chat and whatsoever. All right, and once you do that, then you need to make sure that on the party you will see all the friends here. Make sure that the friends is not muted or you not muted here, and you can easily see that because it will be a little basically speakers icon that is basically turned off or turned on. So make sure that it's not you're not muted and your teammates not muted. And then what you do here next is you can go to this little gear icon here, and you need to go to audio and make sure, as you can see here, I will start from the beginning, your master volume is bigger. So I'm recording the video, so I just need to basically have low volume bars, but make sure that is above 50 and more, these ones. And also, if we go back on voice chat, make sure that voice chat is on. If you want to hear enemies, make sure that proximity chat is on. Make sure that voice chat device is on a headset, and also your mic recording threshold is big enough to hear. And also voice chat volume also above 50. And if you do not even hear your voice chat or mic, then you can definitely test your mic by pressing this toggle on button, and you will test your mic, and if you can see if it's on your mic or on your friend's mic, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to fix voice chat in Warzone 2. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.